Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Work Supply Company to have for you a, well, pretty much brand new skid loader. 2019 Kubota SSV65 wheeled machine. This thing is fully loaded up. Cab heat air, power attach, pilot control, AM/FM radio, Kubota shockless ride, 2-speed. This machine, I'll have all the warranty dates in the ad. I forgot to run off of that, the paper over on my desk. This has actually a year's worth of purchased and transferable extended warranty on it, so it's actually got 2 more years of warranty. It is a 2019, and it'll have 2 years of basic, and then it'll have the 1 year of extended. Kubota OEM bucket with it. Like new skid loader, the gentleman that bought this was just a homeowner and then decided to go with an SVL65, which is the new track loader out. So, long story short, brand new machine, under full warranty. So, how am I fooling anybody there? We'll get the questions. Is there anything wrong with it? How in the hell can there be anything wrong with it if it's under full warranty? You see what I mean? That's just me. Come on this way, I'll show you in the back door, take you to play around the machine. Don't mean that to be disrespectful, but we do get some pretty crazy people these days that call us questions. One scuff on that Kubota decal right there, I'll be honest with you about. In the back engine door of this machine, it is like brand new, and it should be for a 2019 machine. Powered by a 4-cylinder Kubota diesel engine. It is turbocharged, and these are a 2607, I do believe. If memory serves me right. We did do a 100-hour service. We've changed engine oil, hydraulic, fuel, air filters, and I did put 2 new cabin filters in it just so that it was 100% right and ready for the customer. But you can see right there, thing is like new inside. If you're looking for a new skid steer alternative and you want to save a lot of money, here is your opportunity. This machine's right at 50 grand, and you are going to save a pile of money buying this machine. You will still have your full warranty. Underneath here, just going to be your radiator cover, cooling condenser, AC condenser, hydraulic cooler, everything's underneath here. Over here is going to be your fuel lid. Whenever the door is shut, you can fuel it without having to open your door, because they have put the fuel door, or the door fuel tank in the door, which is neat. You can get right to it. Very simple. They have beautiful chaining points. I've owned a lot of these Kubotas so far, and I really like them. They're a very nice machine, very well built. Titan HD 2000s, Series 2 tires, all 4 matched. They're 90% on the 600-hour machine. Kubota OEM, it's a 68-inch bucket. Bolt-on cutting edge, corner side cutters. You can see the factory paint is still on the edge. It is a long bottom bucket. Power skid steer quick attach. Auxiliary hydraulics up here to run attachments with K-string. If anyone would ask, this is an SSV65 PCHS. So the P stands for pilot control, CH is cab heat, air, and the S, I do believe, has to do with the shockless ride. It's its order code. So, one thing I rant and rave about on the Kubota, I'll show you what that is. Look at that. How much easier does it need to be to get in your skid loader? Okay? Well, we're going to go ahead and get in. And I have a towel in here on the floor, so we didn't get the rubber floor mat all dirty. I'll lay that to the side. How much nicer can it be to get in and out of your skid loader with that opening door? And then all I got to do is this. So we go from open to close, just like that. And I mean, it's nice because you can latch the door, you can run it with the door up, run it with the door down, you're not fighting, you can put your boom up in the air. It's just a very nice feature. Kubota come to the ball game with this, built this right. I love the features in the machine. Have this nice split bench like this for your lap bar. Your joystick controls are right at your hands. Very nice buttons. Nice dash layout. It's nothing super fancy, but you don't need super fancy. Just a very, very nice setup. I like the Kubota that way. They did a lot of thinking, and they come to it with a nice machine. So we're going to go ahead. I'll go ahead and show you everything in here. Start him up. 99.9 hours. No error codes. Back here is going to be your heat and air. AC, everything there works obviously. 2019, there ain't any problems, any of that. Over here is going to be your AM FM radio. All ducted heat system. You can see it's as clean as a pin, cup holder, which it should be. There is no reason for a 100-hour machine to be twisted or bent or smashed up. Here is a like brand new machine that, like I said, I don't mean to keep repeating myself, fully loaded up, has full warranty. So I'm going to go ahead and fire this thing up. We're going to run around, show it works. We'll run through 2-speed, take the bucket on and off, do the normal thing we always do. Take it down and push it in the pile with it so you can see that. Here we go. And remember, it's just this easy. 2019 Kubota SSV65 turbo-powered skid steer loader, cab heat air, power quick attach, pilot control 2-speed, Kubota shockless ride, which is basically your ride control. Brand new, like brand new machine. It just turned 100 hours, under full warranty, has a year's worth of extended warranty. So if you want a nice like new machine, here's something to take a look at. There's no BS, it's the truth, it is what it is. Please come take a look. Please call with questions, we're glad to help in any way, and get in, help yourself, and save some money. But service that's ready to go to work, and if you've got any questions, 814-658-3066. Check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, on eBay at Mark Supply 88. As always, I'm Nick Miller. Thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.